Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Camry in the shop. And I'm going to show you where the washer fluid is located. It's on the passenger side of the engine compartment. If you open your hood, you'll see it clearly marked. It shows a washer fluid coming out of a windshield like, and it says washer fluid only. Just pop your cover open, and this one has no screen or filter, so it's clear to just pour right down in there. Fill it up with washer fluid, right up to this bottom level right here. Add your cover, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.